I've seen worksheets like this. 37 ounces changes to how many pounds, how many ounces. Okay. We're going to probably have something left over from this calculation to go into this box. But this is our clue that we may just have an overlap. It starts off the same way. 37 ounces goes here in that first position. Now we're going to have to eliminate this ounce. And we'll use this one because this is a pound and ounce calculation. So the 16 ounces goes here, and 1 pound is on the top. Ounces gets canceled out. We're mainly looking for pounds. That's what we really want. There might be some leftovers, which of course then would revert to ounces. But right now, what we're looking for is this label here. All right, so we are there already. The pounds are shown here, so we can start our math calculation. We've got 37, because 37 times 1 is 37, and on the bottom there's only 16, so that's all we have. That's a top-heavy fraction. We're going to have to divide. This line right here says divide. This says 37 divided by 16. This goes in twice. 2 times 6, 12, and 3. So we have 5 left over. 5 what? This is 2 pounds. We got 2 pounds out of it. And these 5 leftovers are still in the category of ounces. So we can do it like this. Obviously, you can also make a decimal out of it or express it as a fraction. But if your worksheet asks you to break it down into pounds and ounces, find out how many pounds you can get out of the 37, and then the leftovers go there. 15 gallons, 2 quarts are how many quarts? Can't use this chart for it. We've got to go back to our volume calculation, where we have gallons to quarts here. So we're just changing our category. Let's set our problem up here. 15 gallons, 2 quarts changes to quarts. Well, this part right here is already a quart in quarts. So let's pull that over right now. So 2 is going to be part of the answer. We're going to add something to that, though, in order to get the total number of quarts. You see what I did? This is already in quarts. The answer is in quarts, so we can just move this over and not have to worry about this right now. So we're going to be dealing with the 15 gallons, which I'll put here. Now we know we've got to get rid of the gallons, so those go on the bottom. Now we look at our chart. Here's our gallon. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. So 1 goes with the gallon. 4 quarts is on the top. Oh, I need the T. All right, let me take this away. So now we can do our math. Since we've got our correct category, our correct label, quarts matches quarts, we know we're finished with the boxes part. 15 times 4. The denominator has to be 1. That's the only number that's there. Perhaps you can multiply backwards. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm carrying 2. 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6. So 60 is our answer with quarts. At this point, we've changed our gallons into quarts. We have 60 quarts. But we did have these 2 quarts that were kind of left over, but we tracked them before, so we don't forget them. And so now the answer to this problem is 62. There are 60 quarts, from the calculation and 2 quarts from the instructions. And that gives us 62 quarts. Your worksheets might look like this.